Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, this is a very noob friendly tutorial on how to create a subroutine, sometimes also known as functions, especially in languages like Python. So here we go. We're just going to start off with sub. Okay, and I'm going to call this first name and curly brackets there, and we're just going to print out a message to the user. So print hello, my name is, and I'm going to put scalar name here, and this is a new line character. Okay, so I'm going to create a name up here. So I'm going to create my scalar name is equal to Dave. Okay, I'm going to create my scalar surname is going to be equal to Jones. Okay, so subroutine, second name, again curly braces there, and we're going to print out print second name is, then we're going to do the scalar and the surname here, surname. Okay, then a /n for new line, and what we're going to do, we're going to jump from one subroutine to the other subroutine. So we're going to go from first, once we execute this, we're going to jump into this subroutine and execute that. So this is going to be second name. Okay, now all we have to do is call this subroutine, and we're going to call it with first name here. So first name. Okay, we're going to save it and run it. There you go. Hello, my name is Dave. Second name is Jones. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Remember, if you've not subscribed already, do it now. Leave me a comment and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.